This is the door lock. Very simple, very easy to install. I already have a couple of them. I like them so much. I'm installing a third one on my garage door. So you can pick, it comes with 3 screws, 3 of each dimension or size. Is it 3 or 4? No, 4 from each size. So just be careful, the plate goes against the internal side of your frame, just like that. Okay, I like to pre-drill the holes. But I don't think you have to. So I just screw the first one here. I don't want to do the others until I check to make sure that's the lock is in the right position. So I don't have to undo a lot of things if I need to. So close this and it stays in place. It locks. So you need to push that side and then it comes undone. All right, so it's in the right position. I'm just going to add the other 3 screws. Just one more. All right, now it's fully installed. And again, it stays in place. So make sure that you test it after the first screw. Make sure you test that everything is in a good place after the first screw, so you don't have to unscrew all the others to move it a little bit towards you, because if it doesn't have enough room, this thing is not gonna lock. Look, you hear that? It locked. So now I'm pushing and it's not sitting. I need to bring it towards me and then open. So if this thing is not in the right place, it's not gonna give enough room for this mechanism to lock. So make sure that you test it after the first screw so you don't have to undo everything, all right? Perfect. So I'll, of course, test it with the closed door. So the door is allowing enough room, okay? See, it's locked in place. I try to open the door and it doesn't let me. Perfect.